So I just got my winter tires from TSportline. They're the 18-inch with the space gray. They come packaged pretty nicely, shipped from FedEx. And let's go ahead and take some of the straps off and see what we got under here. My plan is to ceramic coat these tires while they're off the car, which will make things much easier, and if I do it while they're nice and new, should be less issues all around. 235, 45 R18s. A shot of the inside, nice looking dark gray, almost a charcoal color. And I'm going to go ahead and flip this tire out. These are Pirelli Scorpio. And there's those TSportline tires. Got some film on there, that's what you're seeing. But they look like they are in pretty good condition. I'll be excited to see them on the car once the snow season picks up. I suppose the other thing I gotta show on these is these are milled for the Performance Model 3 version, and so you can see that this little lip is milled out so it will not cause issues, because the Performance Model 3 kind of has that little 3mm lip on it. So looks like they've made arrangements to accommodate that, and looks pretty good.